this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process so now you can easily create a varial talking avatar that looks exactly like this right here. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here guys, you can easily make use of any image generation like Midjourney, Moon Valley and many more. But right here guys, in this video, we're going to make use of Leonardo.ai. So you want to simply create an account for free and simply launch the app, and it's going to take you right onto this image generation platform. So right here guys, I want to simply generate an image right here by simply making use of this particular image right here. So guys, all you want to do is to go onto the generation history, put in your prompt, then you simply scroll right here and you want to select your aspect ratio, which is your video aspect ratio right here. So I'm going to make use of 16:9. So once you're done with that, simply click on to generate, and it's just going to generate that image right here for us. This is it right here. So guys, you want to simply select the particular image you want to make use of. So I can decide to just add this particular image right here. So once you're done, the next step is to simply go onto Photopea right here. So right here guys, on Photopea, what you want to simply do is to drop any files right here. So I'm just going to drop this particular file right here, and this loading right here is going to take a few minutes, and this is done. So once you're right here, the next thing, simply go on to spot any brush tool, tap on that, and you want to simply be careful and remove the lips right here. So once you're done, next step is to simply just download this particular image by going onto the file section, go onto the export section, then you export this file as PNG right here. Just simply just give this a name. Let's just add in our name right here. So once you're done, click on to save, and this is done. So the next step now is to simply go into our CAPCUT application, and you want to simply import that particular image right there and a YouTube green screen mount right there. So if you simply go to the download section, you have our image and our matte green screen right here that has been downloaded from YouTube. So this is it. So guys, all you want to do is to simply add in this particular image. So I'm just going to drag this, just make this, and you drag this right here. So this is it. So the next thing you want to do, you want to simply just split like 10 seconds or 5 seconds of this particular image, split, and you simply just delete this right here, take it back, so you can adjust this. So once you're done, simply tap on this particular green screen, the matte green screen right here, tap on it, go onto the hot art section, enable the chrome key right here. So once you're done, you want to simply select the color picker. So select your color picker right here. So the next thing, increase the strength, make sure it is 80 plus. Then your shadow, make sure it is 60 plus right here. So once you're done now, you can easily just adjust the mouth to its rightful position. You want to be careful. Then you want to mute the mouth screen right there and simply play this. So this is it. So you can easily add in your voiceover, and you can also add some effects to this particular video. You can decide to add in, you have lots of effects right here that you can easily add into your video. So you can easily just add in an effect. So I can decide to add in this particular effect right here, drag and drop this, and just probably adjust this. So let's play this. So I've been able to add in some effects. So that is it. So once you're done, click onto the export button, and you can easily just export your image right there. So guys, this is how you can actually create a varial AI talking avatar making use of CAPCUT.